Hi folks, welcome to Kitchen Tips Online. On this video, I'm going to review these heavy-duty poultry shears, and I'm going to show you how I use them to remove the backbone from a chicken and put it in a cast iron skillet and put it on the grill. Let's get started. These heavy-duty kitchen shears are built to last. They have a safety lock to keep them closed when you store them, so no one accidentally gets cut since they're pretty sharp. They're also spring-loaded, so they pop back open after each cut. And when you're done using them, just toss them in the dishwasher. Let's flip the chicken over and cut out the backbone. I like to freeze the backbone for the next time I make chicken broth. To remove it, just start cutting along one side and then do the same with the other side. Once that's done, flip the chicken over and press it flat on the cutting board so it spreads out nicely in the skillet. Next, I'll sprinkle on a generous amount of Lawry's poultry seasoning. Then I'll pop it in my cast iron skillet that is preheated on a 500-degree Fahrenheit grill. It only takes about 30 minutes, and it's one of the quickest ways to cook chicken. Now, if you want to support me and help me grow the channel, you can use one of the affiliate links on your screen or in the video description. Thanks for watching.